So basically, you're making a tube into a tubeless just
Kind
by
of.
adding this gel. That's
Yes.
about it.
Yes.
There's nothing else, nothing like removing the tire, putting a seal from inside, nothing.
No.
In this video, we'll be explaining how to convert the tubed yezdi adventure into a tubeless with a tube in it. So basically, you'll have the advantage of both the tube as well as tubeless bike.
That's the Formula X motorcycle Pro pack.
Okay. So what does this do?
Sorry?
What does this do?
Yeah. So what this is basically, since this is a tube tire bike and it's got like smoke wheels, it's prone to punctures, right?
Yeah.
What this does is basically it is a gel, comes in two packets. First one on the rear has been exhausted, this is the front one.
Okay.
And it's a green kind of slimy liquid over here.
Okay.
You attach this. You take the first you take the air off. You attach this, take this off, then you just like press it inside, which I'll show you for the front tire right now.
Okay.
And and then you fill the air back in. Then you run it for about 10 kilometers at 40 kilometers an hour. And it creates a proper seal inside.
Okay.
And, so the goal is like whenever there's a probable nail or a screw that comes in contact with the tire, you just need to inspect it and you just need to like pull it off or unscrew the screw if it's a screw in that case.
Okay.
And the sealant will basically seal it from inside on its own, without leading to any puncture.
So basically, you're making a tube into a tubeless just by adding this gel. That's about it.
Yes.
There's nothing else, nothing like removing the tire, putting a seal from inside, nothing.
No, nothing at all. So you just remove the air. You're just putting the gel inside the tube because the tube is connected to the tire.
Okay.
You're gonna run it. A coating is formed, and this costs somewhere around $1,300 from Amazon.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the Pro pack. The Pro pack is for the bigger tire bikes.
Okay.
There's a normal pack as well. That is for I think about $1,000. It's not $1,000.
That's a decent number, man, for not getting stranded.
Okay.
Especially since it's an adventure bike. So could you show us exactly how you do it?
Yeah.
So is the air already exhausted?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Right. So they give a valve cap.
Okay.
That's a valve cap. So it's part of the whole package. What you need to do is you need to unscrew this.
Okay.
You need to use this end.
Okay.
And then you need to take over here,
Yeah.
lock it.
Okay.
And takes this off. Yeah. So as you can see, the air is out,
Very much.
and just like gonna keep this one outside.
Okay.
Like that's the other one right inside the packet. And we're gonna open this new seal.
Okay.
So it clearly says it's the front tire at 325 ml,
Okay.
and this one was the rear tire for 500 ml.
Okay. Got that.
Okay. Take this off. Put this cap thing on that. Make sure to screw it tightly.
Okay.
Tighten up. And so you need to just simply use this to put the thing inside like that. I need to keep it at a 6 o'clock angle. All the other stuff is also mentioned in
The manual.
the manual that comes in. So you can like. There's also a YouTube video up on their website.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I might like sound like a pro right now, but I have done my homework. That's why. So you just need to screw this in like that. It might require a little bit of wiggle depending on this thing, and just start squeezing in. As you can see,
Yeah, I can see the
it
thing.
just goes in. You need to just use mild pressure, not too much, because
It may come out of the
yeah,
valve.
or the tube might break. Yeah, if you use a little too much. Constant pressure sounds good. Looks good.
How much time does it take?
Just about 10 minutes max. Right.
No,
So as you can
in the
see,
sense, how much time does it take for you to squeeze this in? 10 minutes?
no, I mean, probably 5 minutes, but then
Okay.
it also does. So you might inquire this issue which I'm facing right now, that even though if I'm able to push, it's not going in.
Yeah.
The reason because the particles inside have packed the seal. So what
Okay.
you need to do right now is you need to take it off once, like that, and use.
Okay.
Okay. So you need to use this, which is provided in the pack,
Hmm.
in order to shove this thing inside, like that. Even though if it comes out, that's okay.
Is it required to lift the
as you
front
can
tire?
see, as you
Okay.
can see, there was a air cavity which
Okay.
has been cleared now.
Okay.
Yeah, and now just need to go back to your procedure. If this does not work, then you can also put in the air pump, and you can shove air inside.
Is that required?
Yeah, you need to like just get it over here. We should be good to go. Like so. So now that this is done, and
Yes.
you can't use your hands anymore to just like imagine it's like a toothpaste, and you just need to take off all the stuff inside.
Yes.
So what you need to do is that you provide this,
Yes.
you take it off, take the other end off as well. You need to align this with this,
Okay.
like that.
Hmm.
And it says roll the X over here.
Okay.
You need to attach this to this opening right here. And this is optional if you want to do it or not. Okay. And you just simply roll it. So as you can see, it's going in.
Every single molecule of gel will be consumed by a tube.
Yep, that's exactly what it does. And that's the last of it. Yep. Now you simply remove this off.
Okay.
Not this one, but I mean this end. I think there's some like 10 ml which is always gonna go waste. You gotta
Yeah.
deal with that. Yeah.
Did it get this stuck in the rear tire?
Sorry?
Did it get this stuck in the rear tire?
No, not really. And I don't know why this is happening. Probably need to seal this off.
Okay.
Maybe there's a lot of stuff.
Should we lift the front tire?
Yeah, ideally you should.
Okay, so now
but then I don't know how to because the pedals run piche and then
And the rear tire is also flat, so you can't really put the pressure on the rear tire.
यहाँ से उठा सकते हैं pedals. Can this be lifted as well? इसके पैडल को हटा के कर सकते हैं.
Okay, there's one more paddock there.
Yeah, there is.
Okay, so the gel has stopped coming out now.
Yeah. There's some pasted as well. Should I take it off and take it in?
I don't think you can put it back in.
Yeah. So
Now that we've filled the gel in the front tire, we're filling air in the rear tire. The rear tire already has gel installed in it. So this is the product. Formula X Motorcycle Pro. This helps your spoked yezdi adventure to become tubed yezdi adventure to become tubeless. We're just filling air over here now after filling the gel in. So why did you choose this upgrade in your yezdi?
last bike that I had, the Adventure, was also a similar setup of like a tube spoke setup, and I had made at least 6 to 7 punctures over my whole 60,000 kilometer journey with my Adventure.
Okay.
So
This technology wasn't available right then?
what? No. Formula X I don't think was available then. I think there were some other tubeless conversion kits that were available, but they were pretty steep, somewhere around the 25 to 30k mark.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they are still available today as well. But talking from a 1300 rupee viewpoint for a tubeless conversion kit is really worth the effort and the DIY, the whole thing, and the price. And also thanks to Rats Bikers Cafe for giving me the space. If you want to like to
Yeah.
they also
Right
have
there.
like a wash kind of thing over here. They have all the apparels over here. They've got a nice AC thing. We're sipping coffee right now. Like that. Cheers.
Yeah, the branding is on the cup as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Any future upgrades with reference to yezdi apart from this? Like these aux lights?
Yeah, so I'm trying. So they also have some HJG aux lights. Like they have like a whole set of things. They've got like switches and other stuff as well.
Okay.
I just like how to work with them. They cost somewhere around 2,400 to 4,000 ish for the top end model. So yeah,
Which is decent, not that expensive.
So definitely need a fog light upgrade as well. I also need like a fog light mount, switches, the special wiring harness that comes with it because they are not provided by that. So I'm gonna like.
You know what? We'll actually keep this for tomorrow's video about why you chose the yezdi Adventure over the Himalayan. I think this is about it. This video was emphasizing on converting the tube into tubeless with the advantage of having a tube and a rim and spokes as well.
Yes. because the advantage of having an alloy wheel is that it's rigidity over the spoke wheel is the rigidity over the alloys that it provides. Because alloys, if it breaks, you need to change
it cracks. Alloys crack, the rim, the steel bends, and that's the difference.
Exactly. So if the alloy breaks, you need to change the whole wheel. If a spoke breaks, you just need to change one spoke.
Exactly.
It's more durable. That's why.
Perfect. So, thanks for coming on my channel, and stay tuned. I'll be speaking about the ownership experience. A slight hiccup you had during purchasing the during the delivery of the yezdi.
Oh yes.
And why you chose the yezdi over the Himalayan, as simple as that.
Sounds good.
Okay. See you in the next video.
Ciao.
Take care.